Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I have my Artistic Vivations. My battery on my phone is dying. Hold on. What am I, weak? There's one. It's heavy for sure. So excited. I've never painted with these Artistic Vivation line from the Unicorn Spit lady, Michelle Nicole. And I got this from my link, because I'm a Unicorn Spit affiliate, yay. So that helped. I love playing and paint and practicing stuff with you guys. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh. Concentrated gel pigment. Yes, ma'am. This non-toxic. Celine metallic, white metallic. Oh. Ooh, and purple metallic. Dionysus, is that how you say that? Oh, look you all. Oh my gosh. It's royal purple. You can use this on wood, canvas, glass, metal, concrete. This is more like Sherry, my sister's color. She's the coffee queen. Look at this. Oh my God. Ancient bronze. These are all the new metallics from the Artistic Vivations line of Unicorn Spit. Ugh. This color combination. Cookie, what would you do with this? You would make a dragon. I know you would. Metallic turquoise, y'all. This is just screaming mermaid. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I'm just impressed. Ooh, look, I got a blue ice. Look at this. That's why I was so excited to try their brushes, because I kept seeing them, and number one, they have to look cool. It's a thing. And it does. And it's nice and soft. And how fun is that? You just... And then I got like syringes, so I can shoot the Unicorn Spit into Floetrol. Tuesday's play day. We're going to play in a whole bunch of stuff. Look how pretty these are. That just makes you want to paint when you have such pretty things, doesn't it? It does me. Well, I'm excited. I can't wait to try these colors, this Artistic Vivations, and especially this metallic white. I did not even know that existed until I went to her site. So thank you, michellenicole.com, for all of this fabulous stuff. And I'll see you guys hopefully Tuesday. Thanks for hanging out and letting me open this in front of you as promised.